Alright guys, this is the homework check video for page 486, and on 486 we're going to do 10 through 22 evens. Alright, so I got all these worked out. I'm just going to run through these really fast. Number 10, we're going to do -2 to both sides. That'll cancel on the right, makes 5a on the left. You're going to subtract 10 from both sides, or do -10 from both sides. That makes -10 on the right, 5a on the left. Divided by 5, -10 divided by 5 makes -2. Check -2. It does check out. Make sure that's right. Number 12, same exact kind of problem, just different letters and numbers. Do -2 to both sides. Cancels the right, makes a 0 on the right side because there's no other number. This makes 7 on the left. Bring down the 14. Add the opposite, which is +14 to both sides. 0 plus 14 is 14, and divide it by the 7. Makes +2. Number 14, you got letters and numbers on both sides. Okay? Start on the right side with the 4p. You're going to move it over here with the 5p by adding the opposite. -4p to both sides makes 1p. Bring down the 2 and bring down the -1 this time, so you don't have a 0. Now you're going to subtract 2, or do -2 to both sides. So -1 and -2 make -3. Cancel the 2's. Divide by 1. -3 divided by 1 is just -3. That's number 14. Number 16. I've got, again, numbers and letters on both sides. I did KCC, and I put a 1 in front of the N. It's got to have a number in front of it so you can do the math that you need to, so you can compute. Started with that, I'm going to add a -1 into both sides. They cancel here. It makes -4 n's. Bring down the 15, bring down the -1. Add the opposite of +15, so that's -15 to both sides. -1, -15 make -16. And now we're going to divide -16 by our -4, which gives us +4 answer. 18. Again, letters and numbers on both sides. Start with the letter on the right, move it over to the left. So -2f with -6f makes -8f. Bring down the 13 and -11. Add the opposite of +13 is -13. -13, -11 make -24. Divide -24 by the -8, we get +3. Again, we've done these problems before many times. You can use calculators on them. Number 20. All right, we're back to this just two letter terms and one number term on the left. So when you add a -4h to the right side, it cancels all the letters, and you have to put a 0 over here. Add a -4h to 2.5h's, you get -1.5h. Add the opposite of -15 is +15 to both sides, you get 15. And then 15 divided by -1.5 will give you a -10 on the calculator. Last problem, 22. Letters and numbers both sides. Go to the right. Find the letter term is 9c's. Combine that to the -3c. So add -9c's to both sides. Cancels the right and makes -12c's on the left. Now you need to move the 1 over. So add -1 to 7 to make 6. Now, the answer here is not 2. Some of you are going to get 2 because you're saying 12 divided by 6. Actually, it's 6 divided by -12. And 6 divided by -12 is either 0.5, right, negative 0.5, or -1/2, either way. All right, that's it. For today, I think you're going to be working on the same page. So like page 486 again, the same worksheet. This time you're going to be trying 11 through 23 odds. Should be the same way. Do the same checks. Make sure you're doing the checks every time. Okay, good luck.